Contanos. Ok, desde no, isa, maklaro isa.
Nos van canta e cantica di amor.
Turun kita rondi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast. My name is Angèle.
Minamar ka Rudina.
Joïm.
And today, we're bringing you new content. We're trying out new things. This is our video, this game. Kaya mga song associations inspired by
L magazine.
Every
magazine.
other thing.
And a lot of YouTubers gonna try this out. So we're not that original, pero credit is for those that have done this before. A point of the game is that each of us may have a round kung natin maktikwe un papelito ding ipachi aki ting palawan ng papimento English since we're a published podcast anto within 20 seconds pa sing un song kuting a word aki din dyan anto bating ko say it so no kunta and at yun so I keep each person's round ting konteo and sa wakta final king dinos tagana. Tingin excited si Verega, so I'm quite I'm quite nervous. I'm never been cool because on the spot, the same as Spotify.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
SoundCloud, iTunes, all of them.
Apple
See,
Music.
I also don't have
Pandora.
Samsung stuff, but point is, we're gonna see how this goes. But ABC Islanders not out there. I'm really sorry to disappoint y'all today because Papiamento songs is not my forte. But we'll see how this goes. So let's head to the video. I'm just gonna going up first. Me noticing not that excited, but also quite nervous. So ding regiong aki mi mento na try me sumbong. So let's see how if we kita ka on the finale if I'm gonna win or not. But we'll see how that goes.
Relationship with music.
Okay, relationship with music. I've always been someone who attend music na English. This growing up attend hopi mani American and British artists. Indie music, alternative music, digi punk rock here and there, R&B music, and as mas grande makunsa gusta like reggaeton what say Latin music, I don't know what they say now, trap Latin, Bad Bunny. I've been listening a lot more to those artists. Kumisa dabble ding mas ding Dutch even, papiamento tambe. No estaba teniendo problemas when I was younger. Awaki and not as much either tampoco. This Ebana and si Bird Me guys is not a terminology sounds familiar to Masha. Pero yes, I have a love for music. I love listening to music. It gives me all the emotions I need, from sadness to anger to excitement. It's a big part of who I am and a big part of my life. So that's a little bit about my relationship with music, I would say.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
First word
is
fire.
and I set fire to the rain. Watch your boys, I touch your face. That's Adele. I think Fire to the Rain. It's very so I don't know, but yes. Okay, I got one.
Dios.
Dios.
10 seconds.
Dios, tabang.
5,
Dios,
4.
Dios, tabang. Na, Dios, tabang. Ako ito, Brian Deckers. Brian Deckers, tabang.
But save at the end.
Woo. Child, God is looking at me like.
Disappointed!
Next. Kora.
Kora. Kora. Kora. Kora. Kora.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Kora.
3,
Kara.
1.
Nothing. Tinggal nikah ko Kara?
Yes.
Kara tika.
Tatuma si Kora, tingka Kora.
Otro más. No knowledge. No knowledge.
Anyway, okay. Berarti dos ang pavimento baik ako. Dus,
Boom.
okay. Next word is car.
Car. I bust the windows out your car. Dun, dun. Na 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 na.
Hey!
Na na. I know. Jasmine Sullivan, doch?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Bust your windows, girl.
Nice.
Okay.
I don't know where you pulled that, but
Exactly.
that was nice.
Okay. Next one is mang.
Mang?
Mhm.
Tener mi mang, Señor Jesús. Tener duro.
I was it a
Tener
second.
Dios.
Dios, whatever, monkey. Okay.
God was testing me. God was Next.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, berarti tres sa pavimento. Okay. Okay, but next song ta bala.
Bala?
No,
Epig bom bala. Bala. See?
See,
Nice. I'm back here, damn it. Okay. Berarti cuatro na pavimento right now. Okay.
yeah, keep going. Doesn't really matter.
Okay. Next one's a heart.
Heart. Heart beats fast. Colors and na. How to be brave? How can I ever? Christine. Yes, I remember the name,
So
but
whoever
that's
that is, sure.
that.
1,000 years though.
C.
Right, okay, yeah,
C.
okay. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay. ¿Cuándo? 18.
6, 7,
That's 7. See, tres más.
7. Okay.
Next word is 4.
4. 4. Isa ang song kung nasa ko dabay.
Medyo moeilijk, hè?
Beyonce's will count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito konta.
I mean, nasa
You
DC din
you also
post-production.
didn't- You also didn't sing it, though, so...
But ito sa
Pero siya
sa...
na si.
10, 7,
You should have did it
6,
like that. You should have done it like
5,
that, so...
No
4.
No Santa Conte, no?
8.
Yeah, maar. Okay. Falta dos más.
Okay, well. Espero un pavimento más, please. Thank you. It is?
Pavimento,
Bye.
pavimento.
Bye?
Yes.
Bye. Baby, no bye. No bye. I no lagami bye. No
bye.
No bye.
Hey,
Yes,
Yeah.
Kasi itong yung copper Chelsea. That was the guy. I don't know if the guy,
Boom.
but let's see. It was good.
Okay.
Okay. Well, next word ta,
Last word. And last word.
is break.
Break?
Yes.
Break up with your boyfriend. Yeah, 'cause I'm bored. In the morning. Like it's yours. Yes.
Okay.
Come on, Miss Ponytail. I see you.
Ma quiero lo
So-
bacán. Don't break the heart. Sí.
Oh, unbreak my heart. Say you love me again.
La
Sí, ma quiere, o sea. Ma quiere, sí, la canta. Pero ok. Yeah.
Ese ito extra added.
O sea. No, bueno, está a punto, pero sí.
Nada. Miss Ponytail came through with the ponytail. So,
Okay. Yeah, okay.
My total sum.
Total sum is 8.
But wait! There's more!
A bonus round tackle. Joïm could have to give me words on the spot. I'm very good at with them tambe. And to nasabi wake rekin na kana na final.
Your word is water.
Di ko mi first thing to Avatar sa monologue ko mga yun is water. I'm free, yeah, come water me, love yourself, but if you don't, I have to leave you, There's a little song, come water me. Lizzo.
Okay. And a piece of water?
I'm free, yeah, come water me.
Okay, alright.
Your word is make.
Make? Make.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nope.
Okay.
No. Okay, no.
Your word is... I don't know what your word is, Wara. With the best one, pavimento. The word is cantica.
Cantica. Yo, I don't know. No.
See, but it's a gospel song.
Okay, then sing it. Bueno, to sing
Cantica.
Yeah, sing it.
Okay.
it. Sure.
Falta 1, 2.
Your
Agua
word.
de Dios. That's what it's called. Whatever.
Oh,
Okay.
Your word is pueblo.
Pueblo. The copy is a pueblo soberano. I don't know. Pueblo. Pueblo soberano, you jangle. Pueblo. No.
Well,
Next word.
Fraud.
well.
Keep looking for palavra na Holandês. Inglês of Inglês of pavimento.
No, mag ik iets.
Okay.
So, el problema que bem a walk down cabeça. Go.
Power.
Power. If he's feeling significance. No, she didn't take power din.
3, 2, 1.
To the spirit.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? Learn something from this. You go to bed at night, you lay there, you take responsibility for yourself. Because nobody's going to take responsibility for you.
Anyways, I got 1 on this round. The next person.
Let's keep a total time.
9? 9 points.
Still, she's in the lead, and it's not even close.
Pues aquí I'm just gonna go.
No.